Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here, and today I want to give you a little bit of food for thought. And this is going to come in the form of a question, and I actually got this question because yesterday I was going through some old emails. I don't know about you, but I love keeping really good emails. If I see an email and it speaks to me, I'm like, oh, I'm keeping that, and I'll save it for later. And I was going through some old emails, and this email was about personal development. And I was just skimming through stuff, and I saw one little line, and this one line spoke to me. You know how sometimes somebody says something a slightly different way, right? You could have heard the same phrase 1,000 times, and you switch the two words around, or you make this one little change, and the one little change just makes all the difference in the world, and you see something in a completely different light, and that's what would happen. I read this one line, I just glanced at it, and it hit me like a ton of bricks. And I hope it hits you like a ton of bricks because, I don't know, I think this is pretty cool. So, here's the question, the line that I saw in the email, and the whole reason for this video. Do you want to be successful, or do you want to become successful? Do you want to be successful, or do you want to become successful? You see, the problem is that everybody wants to be successful, right? To be successful means that you want this end result. I want to be super fit and super sexy. I want to make it so that, I want to have it so that when I send an email to my list, I make $1,000 every time I mail my list. And I want this end result. I want to be successful. But the challenge is that nobody wants to become successful. To become something insinuates that you have to go through the process of, right? To be means you have, to become means it's going to be a process. And the problem is everybody wants to be successful, nobody wants to become successful. Everybody wants to have the end result, nobody wants to go through the process of actually getting and growing and becoming who and what you need to become in order to achieve the end result. So the question is, do you want to be successful or do you want to become successful? If you want to be successful, well, good luck to you. If you have a genie and a magic lamp, then maybe you can make that happen. If you don't, you might want to start embracing the process of becoming successful. Because for everything you want in life, there's a process. If you want to get super fit and sexy, what do you have to do? You got to eat right every day and you got to work out hard. Well, you better fall in love with that process of becoming super fit and sexy. I want to make a lot of money online. Great. You're going to have to invest the money and the time that you have to send traffic to your site, to grow your email list, to build your audience, and to email them regularly and build a relationship with them. That's a process. You're going to have to do that 1,000 times. You better fall in love with that process. So again, I ask you, do you want to be successful or do you want to become successful? The right answer is you want to become successful. Because success, as you already know, often is not about achieving this end result. It's about who you become as a person on your journey to achieving said end result. It's the process that you need to embrace. It's the becoming that you need to embrace. It's the journey that you need to embrace, because while you're on that journey, you learn the things that you need to learn. And actually, you learn that sometimes this thing you thought you wanted to have is not the thing that you actually want to have. But that's a whole other story for a different day. The point of this video is to simply say that I want you to fall in love, or at least fall in like, with the become, with the process, with the journey. Okay? I hope that makes sense. Tara, does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Become, not just be. Go work on that. And if you like this video, feel free to click the like button and comment on it if you found it helpful, or let me know your thoughts. And if you found it really helpful, share it. Snap my fingers. Flip. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.